Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to real camping for the first time. I'm excited. I'm heading to the Moreton Island for my camping experience. I did some research on YouTube, what other people bring their camping sites, and I'll show you what I'm going to pack. I'm a very beginner of camping without electricity. I think I tried glamping, but I didn't really try camping, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to bring for my camping as a beginner. I'm not a minimalist, I'm not a maximalist, but I need the things I need daily basis. I've got all my clothes that I want to bring for 2 nice trips. So I've got my 3 shorts and one long pants, and then like just like really short jeans. I've got 1, 2, 3 t-shirts and like long sleeve t-shirts for 2, and just to block any sunlight on the beach. I got this shirt, like long sleeve jacket. Wear this for running, but I think I'll be good because to avoid, for the mosquitoes and things like that. I really love this pantyhose. It's perfect for my beach. After you go, after you wet from the beach or swimming, it's really it's like work as towel. So that's towel, and I've got my swimming wear, and I've got 3 hats. So this one cap is like a more wide camping hat, and then it's like beanie. The other person in the camping video saying I should bring a warm hat because it will make really difference when it gets cold at night. So we lose heat from a hat, what they say. So I'll test how this works out at night. And I've got 2 gloves to protect my hand from installing my campsite and tent. Like, I haven't actually built a tent in my life, so I'm excited. And then also rain jacket, very easy to carry. And this side, I just put everything laid out on the floor just to see what I'm bringing everything. So from the left side, it's a bit already packed, but I can show you what that is. So I've got Crocs just for my shower and just walk around easily with wet foot. I've got my aqua shoes, and then I've got this floaty thing. I'm not a really good swimmer, so I should bring any this kick pad for swimming. And this is my picnic mat. And then I've got this what's it called, snorkel geese and snorkel mask. And underneath there's 3 bottles of water bottle. I hope that's sufficient to hydrate me enough for the 2 nights. Hopefully, yeah. This side I've got my pillow for travel, light umbrella and Sunny's sunglasses, and I've got these rubbish bags just to collect the trashes, and I've got washing liquids, like disposable washing liquid. I've got this like a shower clothes that I don't use anymore, so I can just use and then throw out. I'm going to bring citronella essential oil. People say this is used for repellent. I'll put this around my tent and campsite so I don't get any insect bites. And I've got, of course, lots of sun creams. I'm going to beach, island, and of course repellent, important, and hand sanitizer, alcohol. In the case of scenario that if I can't wash my hands, then I'll just use before I eat. This is the most essential thing. It's like rechargeable LED lamp, and I got this from Amazon. Actually, it's like rechargeable, so like that. I can turn off. It's pretty bright, and then I think I fully charged, so that's good. I've got a little lantern from Amazon as well. I've got this headlight, and this is light bulb, but works as with a battery, so no electricity required. So I've got these 2 on this side. I've got antibacterial wipes in case anything happens. I've got like a flushable wipes as well, and I've got some tissues to carry. And this side I've got towel and like a waterproof phone case from any water activity. So I'm going to go sailing over there as well, so I hope like it can be used quite useful. And I've got like a body lotion. I've got my like toiletries, like lotions, soap, shampoo and everything inside. And got mask bags, face mask bag. I hope I'm not going to use these three, so I've got two like insect soothing relief cream. Any insect bites, I hope I don't use that. And I've got this cooling gel for sunburn and any like first aid gel. This is like alcohol for your injury. And I've got some of my daily supplements. Got my plastic bowl and spoon, chopstick, fork, disposable knife, fork, napkins. Yeah, I've got my keep cup, plasticky, so easy to carry. I'm going to bring some hot water, like boiling hot water. I can use that for my instant ramen. This is just paper plate to minimize dishwashing. I've got my food as well. So there will be foods, but then I wanted to bring some snacks and my instant ramen for emergency. So I've got 2 beef jerkies. I'm just bringing because it's easy to carry without cooking. Marshmallows. I've got this sugar-coated cashews, got nuts. I've got a chocolate, another chocolate bar, and I've got some tea bags, not tea bags, but it's like a milk tea and hot chocolate. I've got 2 instant ramens. I searched on like YouTube, how can I eat ramen without like boiling hot water. I'm going to put my boiling water in the morning on the first day. I can actually use it for this soupy noodle on the first night. Hopefully that the water lasts its temperature till the night. Not soupy one. Originally, you put the water, boiling water, and once the noodle is cooked, and you pour out the water outside, and then you mix it with the sauce and eat it. But people say carb ramen noodle, they can be cooked, soaked. It takes 20 minutes in cold water to be like softened. So I'm going to try like second night to see how this works out for me, like using just normal temperature cold water. I don't know if I can put everything inside of my one backpack, and I've got like a big carry bag just for snow cookies and like shoes, and so I'll see what I can do. I'll squeeze it in. Ooh, very sleepy though. I'm bringing this wetsuit as well. This is actually a surfing suit. I can use it for snorkeling. I got my tent to wrap as well. Checking how to wrap it up. I've got a backpack and like a shopping bag for food and sleeping bag, tent, those essentials. And I've got a bag to carry. Ooh, many things to carry. Yeah, I'm not bringing these poncho and some of the clothes. It's too many, but I put a book instead. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video for camping trip at Moreton Island in Australia, Queensland.